right, guys, I am a nurse and I wanted to put a review of this product. We actually got this for my mother-in-law. It's called BleedStop, and just like it says on here, it stops bleeding in seconds. It's for both minor cuts and severe bleeding wounds. They use something like this in the hospitals. Ambulances, EMT people have these, but this is a great thing to have in a first aid kit. And this came with 4 15-gram packets. There's quite a bit of powder. I mean, this is not mostly air. I don't want to open it because I don't want it to go bad, and you're supposed to throw it away once you open it. But it's full of powder. It's a white powder. It doesn't sting. It doesn't burn. And what you do is if you accidentally cut your finger right there, you would pour the powder on it and apply pressure. Like with a gauze or a bandage, you just pour the powder on the cut and then you apply pressure, and it's going to help that cut clot. So it does work on large wounds. Obviously, you need more powder, but minor cuts, if you have someone in your family on blood thinners where just like something like a cat scratch or a little nick with a knife really just, it takes forever to stop bleeding, this is a great thing to have. So again, it comes with 4 sterile packets with quite a bit of powder in each one. We're going to keep one at our house for emergencies if it's needed. And then, like I said, give this to my mother-in-law because she is on a lot of blood thinners. And when she gets a cut or a scratch, it takes forever to get it to stop bleeding. So you still apply pressure. You can see there, it's a white powder. You just pour that white powder on the wound and apply pressure. And it will help that blood clot and stop bleeding really quickly. So I hope this helps you know if it's something that would help you. One more thing real quick on this, I noticed this is 2025 when I'm buying this, and this does not expire until April of 2031. So one more reason this should just be in every first aid kit. They sent me something that has a long shelf life. Like I said, bought it for my mother-in-law, came with 4 packets. 3 are going to her. We're keeping 1 at our house where we keep the bandages and Band-Aids. So hopefully we don't need it, but if we had a bigger cut, we might need it till we could get to the hospital for stitches or something like that. Hope this helps you know if it's something you'd like to buy.